Zambia is asking for some serious help. Here's the scoop. Zambia has formally appealed to both the Southern African Development Community and the African Union. The reason? A diplomatic dispute with Zimbabwe. Foreign Minister Mulambo Haimbe has called out remarks made by Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa during his recent trip to Russia. Haimbe described these remarks as an unwarranted attack on Zambia's sovereignty. In response, Zambia is seeking a decisive and conclusive resolution from the regional bodies. This move underscores Zambia's commitment to protecting its national sovereignty and maintaining regional stability. The involvement of SADC in the AU could lead to significant diplomatic discussions, aiming to diffuse tensions and uphold mutual respect among member states. This situation highlights the importance of diplomatic channels and collective security mechanisms in addressing interstate disputes in Africa. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation unfolds. Zambia's appeal could set a precedent for how regional bodies handle